how to get unstuck in the practice and life with this simple life hack. This is something that I apply in all of my flows, sequences, and life as well, is to pause and ask yourself, where can I go from here? Many times when we want to move forward in life or in a sequence, we are so focused on the greater picture and what we want something to become, instead of allowing the energy and the creativity of each moment to kind of motivate and inspire us. So we're thinking, how am I going to get there? How am I going to get there? And all our energy is going there. Instead of starting with a simple pose and asking yourself, where can I go from here? And allowing that freedom of mind and body to propel or cultivate that creativity, essentially. So when you are in a position, let us say I'm sitting here on my knees and this is my starting point, where can I go from here? Okay, I can do this, I can bring this arm up, I can go here, I can go there, I can do all these different things. I can move like this, okay, I can extend this leg out, I can put it back in, I can extend it out and pull it back in. And this way you start to have these natural movements occurring. So if I'm here, okay, then what can I do? I can change the leg to here, then I can swing it here, then I can turn around and come here. And these are all these things that we can do, but when I'm focused on all these individual positions, I might lose the overview. So you kind of want to ask yourself all the time, where can I go from here? And then let the body lead. Where am I inclined to go naturally? Is it my arm or my leg or whatever body part that speaks? And the same you can do in your life. When you find yourself in a position, maybe you cannot go from here straight there, but maybe you can go from here to here and from there to there. So we really want to start to ask ourselves more commonly, more frequently, where can I go from here? Then let the body lead, have that free experience, and then pick the elements of that free experience to kind of define the discourse. So in this case, if you want to take it into a class, you would take a few of those positions and then work with those transitions and let them return and build onto them into more complex versions of it. We'll do a different video on that later on, as we're going to speak way more about sequencing, how to create. If you want to stay tuned on all this content coming, please subscribe to not miss onto it, and let us know. We'd love to practice with you, share more videos, share more transitions, and most of all, share tips and tools to let the practice really unblock, get you unstuck, and get that creative energy moving onto your mat and far beyond into our lives. Thank you so much.